You can manage any of your organizational knowledge. Let's create a new repository and let's just do it from scratch. Let's call this org. This is my organization, charts, and let's pick a nice icon for it. This is demo org, and then we create the repository. There's a lot of repositories already in here, but let's jump to the one here. We see it's empty. We go and create a new element called employee. Just do this, and we create a new one called department. And what we see here, it gives us already the plurals. We can go into that. We see it already has a name. Maybe I also want to have a title of the employee. Let's say that this is a normal text string value. There are many more options from what types you can add, and maybe also have some sort of status on it. So this is now normally where I would like to have like an enumeration. Let's actually do an enumeration later, and let's just do a text for now. Alrighty, I can create a new one. This is Jane Doe. She's the CEO, and status is full time. And with that, I already have all the data here available to work with. The whole UI is instantly created. I can go in and work the same with the departments. And for example, what I want here is actually a relationship, so this is a little bit more complicated. I go into the manage meta model, create a relationship from employee to department. This is my department, and these are the employees. I can have many, but I can just have like one, and maybe that's also mandatory. An employee has to be part of a department. So if I go back to my departments, I can now create a new one. This is the management, and I say this is where Jane Doe is. I have select the relationship here. I can actually also let's have the listed here, and if I go to select her, I see the department that she works for listed as well. So everything is there. I have a full REST API for everything available as well, so I can say download the whole list as Excel, etc. But I can also go into the API, and I have a JSON format here. I can go to export import, work with that on Excel files. I can go into visualizations and just let's go with one circular dendrogram. I say I want to start with the departments. Let me show the name of the department, and then I want to see the employees and their names. And I see Jane Doe, part of management, so it immediately is in all my visualizations. My data is available in my API, REST API, and my import, export. I have the ability to select roles that have permission on it. I see my whole structure here is also available from a permission perspective. I have a full text search, so I can search for Jane and I get so like her back, so that everything is immediately available. There's no further customization needed. I see so like now have so like my data here. I have kind of like my last opened elements, open visualizations, etc. So it really helps to work on it collaboratively. Everything is fully tracked, so we see so like here the changes with like the relationships, the creation of elements, the changes, but also all my meta model changes are fully tracked, so I can see who changed what when, and I have a full powerful search and query for my history as well. This is a quick rundown. I can have multiple of those repositories with complicated structures that give me so like a more complicated view, so it can really manage whatever enterprise data and knowledge you want to so like share and have. We support some industry standards, TOGAF. We have the STIX, structured information, for cybersecurity as well. So there's a lot of different options how you can so like track your knowledge. Thank you.